Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today we are going to be making they're like individual key lime cheesecake pie situation. I don't even know what to call it. I freeze mine and I serve them frozen, but you can certainly keep them in the fridge and just have like a softer consistency, if you will. Okay, I'm sorry. These are really delicious. They're easy. They're no bake, so you don't have to bake. Everyone loves them. They're tart and just fantastic. Everything that you expect a key lime cheesecake to be. So I hope you guys enjoy. Can you say bye? Bye.